Hello, Melissa. Let me see if I can show you what I see. Here we go. Um, I put my Blackboard on student mode, and when I go to content and then go to module 3, I see the quiz down there, which I also saw in your um, screenshot. Over here, it says page 1 through 5, which includes the quiz. So I go to the right, I go to the right, and then I go to the right again, and here's where you have the assignment here, and I have to go to the right one more, and it says the assignment won't be saved. Okay, and then here it says quiz 3. If this item does not open automatically, click here, and it says click to launch. I think either one will do. And then here is the quiz. See if you can see that much on your end and let me know.